Hey, this is Apostle with Front Project. This week, we are going to make this beautiful table lamp. Resolve this walnut piece without a bensol. Get super creative with gluing up these metal pieces. And we're gonna use some 3D print in this build. Instead of welding, I'll use epoxy to put all these metal pieces together. Therefore, I had to get creative with gluing up the pieces. If you liked the video and learned something valuable, please hit that like button, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make these videos. First, I tried this method to glue up some squares. It was taking so long though, I had to change my method. But for now, I'll let this glue set, and we can start working on the walnut piece. Okay, now time to resew the walnut piece. To be able to see the line, I place the walnut piece diagonally into the vise and start cutting. I will only go until the midpoint, then flip the piece and start cutting again. Once I cut all the 4 corners, I can cut the piece from top to bottom. Now it's time to glue the metal base. Epoxy was taking so long, so I come up with an idea to make my small jigs. You might already know this, right angle self-made corner jigs. So I'll make something similar but completely different material. Since I won't need so much clamping pressure, I'll use them just to hold the metal pieces in place temporarily with CA glue.
Yeah.
Having some troubles in my resin 3D prints, especially first 10 layers. The print warps a bit. I'm not sure why it's happening. If anyone knows why it might happen, please let me know in the comments. But anyway, it won't stop me to use this piece. I will fix it with more epoxy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for watching the video until the end. I'll see you in the next one.